Welcome back, everyone. It's time for the second episode of this E28 build, and today we're up for some treats. We're gonna unveil parts for the project. We're gonna unveil parts from the painter. You're gonna follow us to the painter to pick up the parts like doors, hoods, stuff like that, and we're gonna evaluate the results. And then coming up the week after this, we're gonna pick up the rest of the car, and that will be great. And we're gonna go through the engine and everything on the next episode. But today, let's find out what the painter has in store for us, and also the outcome of the paint and the, the jewelry for the car to come. So, let's go. Oh yeah. So, nice weather, no rain at least, which means it's okay weather to go pick things up. So before leaving, we need to get stuff to wrap everything up in, so we don't mess anything up or damage the paint job. So yeah, it's a lot of things to think about, but it's gonna be good, trust me. So we're on our way to pick up the parts. Less traffic than ever, and everything's gonna be fine. When you see the parts and see the quality of the paint, I think it's gonna be flawless, like usual. Okay, some days. Okay, we just picked up everything at the painter, and I said before the weather was nice. Now it's raining like, yeah, never before. The result was amazing. It's shiny, it's perfect. I'll show you later the depth of this color, royal blue metallic. It's really amazing. It's like purple and blue in one, at the same time. It's great. So, heading on home, still an hour to drive, then I'll show you.
I've heard that a rumor that we had some delivery. Yo, what's up?
What's up?
Something new?
Yeah, a lot of things.
Yeah,
Many things.
boxes.
Boxes.
Nice.
Yeah, it's the wheels for the blue one. So they arrived the other day, and
I see someone couldn't really wait for.
Yeah, I couldn't resist. So,
but now
let's call it like the arrival control check.
Yeah.
So it's I'll show you what's inside.
Yeah, nice.
Show you the goods. So finally, and the design for the car is already like I gave away before that it's not gonna be an M package car. It's not gonna be it's gonna be an Alpina replica. That's what I want to say. So to get the right look for an Alpina replica, what's better than Alpina replica wheels, right?
So nice.
Yeah, they look good. So the finish is outstanding, and I think they will do the work nicely.
Absolutely.
And it's a 10-inch wide wheel with the 18-inch diameter.
It will fit good on an E28.
I think so. And since we did massage the rear wheel arches a little bit before we went send the car off to paint, I think they will go without touching anything, and they will fit nicely in the housing. And once we get the car back, we can test fit the wheels and see if there is play enough to go inside. And if there isn't, we need to go to the machine shop and to get this surface cut off a little bit, so we can change the offset of the wheel a little bit so we get better fitment. So that's what we're gonna do. And I think once we know what we have I mean, what kind of room we have in the rear wheel arches and everything. We will also decide what kind of tire dimension we will run. I think we will run something around 245, something like that. A little bit of stretch, but it will fit the design of the car perfect. It will be tight and it will be slim, and it's gonna look great.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
But there are 6 boxes. Are
Yeah,
we building a 6-wheeler or what's?
Yeah, it's not a 6-wheeler, but for now we can say it's 2 spare wheels. Can we
Yeah.
say it like that?
Yeah.
So maybe if you have a double puncture, you'll have a chance to continue the trip anyway.
Yeah.
So
More.
hopefully,
There's more to come about that.
yeah, that will come.
Yeah. Nice. Do we have anything else new? You've been on a road trip.
Yeah, me and the boy, we went to the road trip to the painter. It was now like a week ago or something. And yeah.
See, we have something in the back here.
Yeah, the trunk for the blue car, and the air vents for the C-pillars also. And we have the doors, the hood, and the sunroof. That's what we got this time. So, yeah.
It's a nice.
Yeah, it's amazing
Piece of
color.
work.
It's the royal blue metallic. It's like, I can show you here when shining onto it. Let's see if the camera can catch this. It's turning purple in the periphery of the where you hit it with the torchlight. And when the sun hits this color, it's really turning the car into purple. So, and before the sun hits it, it looks like an ordinary dark blue metallic. But it's really changing totally in the sun. So it's a unique color for the E28, I must say.
Yeah, it's too bad they only had it for a
Yeah, 1
short.
year. Yeah, the last
period.
year of the car's existence, it was available in the 1987, and then the car changed to E34, so there was no more E28s. And I think this color is really it's rare and it's nice. So
Yeah.
I think we will be happy with it.
Yeah, and that's what make this project also unique in
Yeah.
some way.
Yeah, for sure. So together with the Alpina touch and everything, it will be awesome.
Yeah.
So let's wait 1 week or so before we get the car back, and then we will start putting it back together. And I think quite quickly we will see the car taking shape, and yeah, it will be perfect. I'm
Yeah.
quite sure.
You have anything else here for the car?
I do have a lot of
Yeah.
things,
Yeah.
and this is things back from the refurbished original parts. And like you can see, there is like the locks for the hood. There is like the safety locks, servo oil tank, and you have the screws and nuts and bolts for the engine and some of the other parts of the car, and also hydraulic hoses for servo connections for steering and for brake lines and everything. And this is quite amazing that you can actually refurbish the original hoses instead of buying new or trying to get hold of new, because BMW, they discontinued most of those hoses. So by doing so, this looks like it was ready for scrap, and then I sent it to the surface coating and got it back. The hoses look like new. So we have all the hoses for the engine, the oil cooler, everything refurbished. So it's ready to be back on the car, and there will be a stunning result when you do that. So this is really something I can recommend, instead of trying to get new parts all the time. Do renovate the old things, because the old things, in my opinion at least, they are a lot better than the ones you buy new today. So yeah, everything is great. So,
Amazing result.
yeah, it's really amazing. I agree. So the next step is to make some inventory of what we have, and then we have to the right here we have the engine, and yeah, it's gonna take a little while to put it back together, clean it up, and do some painting, and go through everything to see that everything is in good condition. And yeah, once that's done, we can start putting the engine back together, and yeah, put it back into the car. once we have it back from paint. So yeah, everything takes time, but do it step by step and never stop working. It's important to always do something. As long as you do something, it's something you have behind yourself. So that's really good thing to have like a mindset to always keep having momentum and not stopping up. And because if you stop doing something, turn to a different project or something, yeah, the days and the weeks and everything will start moving along, and then suddenly there's gone 1 year without any progress, and you feel like nothing is happening and you lose motivation and everything. So do some things, even if it's small ones, it will bring you forward. So yeah, looking forward to do this engine and to document everything. And as we do this engine, which is a 3.5 liter engine, we will also do the one I have in behind. It's a 2.8 liter. So it's we will do those in pair to really go through everything. So the 2.8 and the 3.5 will be like new engines. That's the goal with this project. So that was episode number 2, and well, I'm going to show you this one just in case you didn't see it before, but it's amazing. This is like almost 40 years old parts, like done like new. It's amazing. Anyway, next episode will be the one to see. You do not want to miss out. And we will take the car back from the paint. We will show you the result and everything. And I will start putting the engine back together and at least go through everything. So don't miss a week from now. Stay tuned. Follow, subscribe, like, comment. Please comment. That's interesting. A lot of you guys already do. And it's, yeah, priceless. It's what's helping us to improve. Remember, we're new at this, but it doesn't mean we can't get better, okay? So, see you later.